Hello students, in this lecture we will do the study of 1 mark question concept which was asked in past board exams of topic matrices. If you have not seen my lecture 1 to 8 of this topic, please see it and then continue with this topic. Before solving questions, we have to learn some of the formulae. First formula, determinant value of k into matrix A is equal to k raised to the power n into determinant of A. What is A? A is any matrix in which we are multiplying a scalar and we are finding the value of determinant. So if we are keeping a scalar outside and we are multiplying determinant value, what is the relation? So the relation is k raised to the power n into determinant A. What is n? Where n is the order of matrix. You can also say that k we are multiplying in a matrix, so in each element we have to multiply when we are finding the determinant value. So we can take common k. So from 3 rows we are taking common, so what we will get it, k raised to the power 3. If order is 3, if order is n, so how many times k we will take common? N times. So what we will get it, k raised to the power n. If A is a singular matrix, all are knowing what is the meaning of singular matrix whose determinant value is 0. Next, determinant value of product of matrix A and B, that is determinant value of A into B is equal to determinant value of A into determinant value of B. A multiplied by matrix I is identity matrix, is equal to I multiplied by matrix A is equal to A, that is identity matrix. We multiply in a matrix, we will get it the matrix itself. Determinant value of identity matrix always equal to 1. Adjoint of a determinant value of adjoint of a matrix A is equal to determinant A raised to the power n minus 1, where n is the order of a matrix. Please continuously revise this formula. Sometimes children get confused in formula 1 and 6. Now we are solving the questions based on this concept. In 2010 this question came, question number first, if determinant A is equal to 2, where A is 2 by 2 matrix, find adjoint of A. What is the relation between adjoint of A, determinant value of adjoint of A and determinant value of a matrix? So all of you observe formula 6. Determinant value of adjoint of A is equal to determinant value of matrix A raised to the power n minus 1. What is n? N is the order of a matrix. Substitute the value of whatever is given. Determinant A is given 2, order 2 by 2, so n is 2, 2 minus 1, so we are getting 2. So adjoint determinant value of adjoint of A matrix is equal to 2. Our question is complete. Next question, question number 2. If A and B are square matrices of order 3, what is the order of A and B? 3. Such that determinant A is equal to minus 1, determinant B is equal to 3, then find the value of determinant value of 3 into matrix A into B. So we are applying this formula, determinant of A into B is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. This in NCERT book they have given as a theorem. Its proof is not in our syllabus, only formula we have to use it. So here we are applying this formula, determinant value of, first we are taking this scalar common. How we are taking common? Determinant value of k into matrix A is equal to k raised to the power n into determinant A. So AB is also product of these two matrices. A and B is again a matrix. So in this we are multiplying 3. So order of A and B is 3 by 3. That is order 3. So when we take 3 common from this, so what we will get it? 3 raised to the power 3 into determinant value of this matrix. The product of two matrices is again a matrix. First I use this formula. Then determinant value of matrix A into B is equal to 3 raised to the power 3 into determinant of A into determinant of B. Which formula I have used? Determinant of A into B is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. All are know in question they have given determinant A is what? Minus 1. I have substituted the value. Determinant B, what is given? 3. I have substituted the value and simplified. So what value I have got it? Minus 81. Our question is complete. Next question, a matrix of order 3 by 3 has a determinant 2, means determinant of A, in form of notation also you can write it, determinant of A is equal to 2. What is the value of determinant value of A into 3 into I, where I is the identity matrix? Again the same formula we are applying. Determinant of A into B is equal to determinant of A into B, and determinant of K is equal to K raised to the power n into determinant A. So first I am separating this matrix. Determinant of A into determinant of 3i. Determinant of A is given. What is the A? Is a matrix of order 3 by 3 as determinant 2. So 2, 3 we have taken common. So how many times, what power of 3 will come? K raised to the power n. So 3 raised to the power 3. 3 is what order is given? 3. Into determinant of I. Determinant of I value, what it is? 1. So simplify it after substituting the value. What result we are getting? 54. If A is a square matrix such that determinant A is equal to 2, write the value of determinant of A into transpose of matrix, determinant value of A into transpose of matrix A. So how we will get it? Determinant of A into A dash. First we are applying this formula. Determinant of A into B is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. So you will get it determinant of A into determinant of A dash. Determinant of A value is given 2, but how we will get it? Determinant of A dash. हमने properties के अंदर ये concept पढ़ चुके हैं. If all the rows are interchanged by the column, that is then the determinant value is unchanged. आप मेरे लेक्चर को देखिए 1 to 8 में, इन दैट यू विल गेट इट. सो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए डैश. दोनों की वैल्यू सेम रहती है. सब्स्टिट्यूट इट्स 2 into 2 4. आवर क्वेश्चन इज कंप्लीट. If A and B are square matrices of the same order such the determinant of A is equal to 3 and the product of this matrix A and B is equal to I, then write the value of determinant of B. So what is condition is given? Product of this matrix A and B is equal to identity matrix. हमें यहाँ डिटर्मिनेंट बी की वैल्यू निकालना है, तो हमारे पास गिवन कंडीशन क्या है? द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स इज इक्वल टू आई. कैसे हम इसमें डिटर्मिनेंट बी में कन्वर्ट करें गिवन का इक्वेशन को? सो वी हैव टू टेक डिटर्मिनेंट ऑपरेशन ऑन बोथ द साइड. जैसे डिटर्मिनेंट ऑपरेशन लिया तो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए बी इज इक्वल टू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ आई. अभी हम लोगों ने ऊपर के क्वेश्चनों में देखा था डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ आई इज इक्वल टू 1. अभी हम लोगों ने ऊपर के क्वेश्चन में फॉर्मूला देखा था डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इंटू बी. व्हाट यू कैन राइट एज डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इंटू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ बी. डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए की वैल्यू कितनी दे रखी है? 3. सब्स्टिट्यूट करें एंड सिंप्लीफाइड. सो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ बी इज इक्वल टू 1/3. आवर क्वेश्चन इज कंप्लीट. 2 of the concept you have to learn. Sometime they are asking question based on this concept. Determinant value you can also get it. Sum of the product of element of any row or column with their corresponding cofactor. अगर हम लोग किसी भी एलिमेंट को उसके कोफैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करें और किसी भी रो के सारे एलिमेंट को उनके कोफैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करके उसका सम फाइंड आउट करें, सो इट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? इट इज इक्वल टू द डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू. हेंस देयर इज द सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट ऑफ एनी रो और कॉलम विद देयर corresponding cofactor. We see it. Exercise 4.4 question 5th is based on this concept. Aij is a cofactor of these elements, then the value of del is given by. तो अभी हम लोगों ने कंसेप्ट रिवाइज करा था कि एलिमेंट में उसके कोफैक्टर का मल्टीप्लाई करें. तो सारे ऑप्शन में देखिए कहाँ पे सब स्क्रिप्ट सेम है. तो यहाँ पे सब स्क्रिप्ट सेम दिख रही है. A11 1 2 1 1 3 1 1. that is small a multiply by this capital A. capital A stand for कोफैक्टर, स्मॉल एस स्टैंड फॉर द एलिमेंट. तो एलिमेंट में उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग कोफैक्टर का मल्टीप्लाई करा, सम करा, तो क्या मिलेगा? डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू. सो विच इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन? डी इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. पर अगर हम इन कोफैक्टर को किसी और रो में मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, फर्स्ट रो के कोफैक्टर अगर किसी और रो में मल्टीप्लाई करें, सो व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट? सो वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट. इफ एलिमेंट ऑफ रो और कॉलम आर मल्टीप्लाई विद कोफैक्टर ऑफ एनी अदर रो और कॉलम, देन देयर सम इज 0. अगर किसी भी रो और कॉलम के को एलिमेंट्स में किसी दूसरी रो और कॉलम के कोफैक्टर का मल्टीप्लाई करें, सो द वैल्यू विल बी 0. हाउ वी कैन प्रूव इट? सॉल्व ऑफ इट. Here we have taken A11 1 2 1 3 first row all element we have taken it, and second row cofactor we are multiplying, its value we are substituting. As we are substituting the value, we are again changing in a determinant form. We are getting two rows identical, R1 and R2 are identical. As it is identical, therefore determinant value is 0. So what is the concept? If element of row or column are multiplied with cofactor of other row or column, then their sum is 0. Next question, question number 17th. A is a non-singular matrix, means determinant value is not equal to 0. Then of order 3 by 3, then adjoint of A is equal to आज ही हम लोगों ने इस कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर क्वेश्चन करे थे, शुरू में फॉर्मूले लिखे थे. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला रिलेशन बिटवीन एडजॉइंट ऑफ एन डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू, डिटर्मिनेंट a raised to the power n minus 1, n is the order. What is the order? 3. So determinant a raised to the power 3 minus 1, so determinant a raised to the power 2. Which is the correct option? B. Question 18th, if A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant A inverse is equal to. Solution, how we will get it? We are knowing A into A inverse is equal to I, taking determinant on both the sides. So determinant of A into A inverse is equal to determinant of I. Determinant of I अभी हम लोगों ने ऊपर फॉर्मूला देखा था 1, एंड डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A into B is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. तो यहाँ फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करें, डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A into determinant of A inverse. डिटर्मिनेंट A को शिफ्ट कर दिया क्योंकि उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में पूछा है. डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू, ऑप्शन के अनुसार कौन सा करेक्ट है? 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट ए, दैट इज 1 अपॉन डी टी ऑफ ए. आवर क्वेश्चन इज कंप्लीट. Miscellaneous exercise question 18th, if x y z are non-zero real number then inverse of this matrix. इन्वर्स का फॉर्मूला क्या है? इन्वर्स इज इक्वल टू एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए. पर ये एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन है, हमें टाइम को सेव करना है, ओरली कोशिश करना है सॉल्व करने की. जब भी आपके पास डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स रहे, व्हाट इज डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स? हुज ऑल अदर एलिमेंट आर जीरो. तो जब भी हम इसकी डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू निकालते हैं, इट इज इक्वल टू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द डायगोनल एलिमेंट, सो इट इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई जेड. तो हमारे पास डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू आ गई है. adjoint of A निकालना है, so how we will get it? Other all in diagonal element, when you will replace each element by their cofactor, so you will get it 0 0 only, and diagonal elements cofactor you will find out. How you will get it? For an example, A11, delete the row and column in which element lies, so you will get it yz minus 0, so yz with their position sign, so as it is yz. डायगोनल एलिमेंट की पोजीशन कैसी रहती है? A11, A22, A33. तो यहाँ पॉजिटिव साइन ही चलते हैं, साइन चेंज नहीं होते हैं. हमें A22 निकालना है, डिलीट द रो इन कॉलम, सो हाउ वी विल गेट इट? वी विल गेट इट xz minus 0. So direct you can observe the pattern when we are finding A11, so we are getting the product of other two diagonal element yz. A22, so leave this diagonal element, find the product of other, and the A33, so find the product of other two diagonal element xy. And when you will find out the transpose, you will get it same matrix. So adjoint of A we got it. So formula is A inverse is equal to adjoint of determinant A. So when you will write it 1 upon xyz, and xyz you will multiply inside this matrix. How you will multiply in each element? So yz upon xyz, 1 upon x, that is x raised to the power minus 1. Other all are 0, so as it is. Only there will be change in diagonal element. So which is the correct option? A. Please try to solve this question orally, otherwise direct method is there. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant A. Question number 19, let matrix A is equal to this, then find the value. So we are expanding the determinant. If you want, you can apply the properties, but if they have not mentioned directly, you can expand, and this is MCQ. So after expansion, we are getting 2 plus 2 sine square theta. You are knowing the range of sine square theta. Sin theta is minus 1 to 1, since square is there, so its values lie between 0 to 1. Sin square theta is greater or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. As you multiply by 2, because we want to find out the range of 2 plus 2 sin square theta, and adding 2 in whole this inequality, so we are getting 2 plus 2 sin square theta is lie between 2 and 4. It is greater or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 4, so determinant A is value is lie between close interval 2 to 4. So which is the correct option? D is the correct option. Our question is complete, and please well prepare, because the weightage of this determinant and matrices is 12 marks. They are asking 3 to 4 question of 1 mark on this concept. So by doing this question, I think that you can solve all the questions. Thank you all of you.